Hey curious minds, have you ever wondered about the biggest, greenest, wildest place on our planet? A place so huge, it's sometimes called the lungs of the earth. Today, we're going on an adventure to find out where is the Amazon rainforest. Imagine looking at a map of the world. Can you find the big continent called South America? That's where our adventure begins. The Amazon rainforest is mostly in South America. It's so enormous, it spreads across 9 different countries. The biggest part is in Brazil, but it also reaches into Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and even French Guiana. It's like a giant green blanket covering a huge part of the continent, close to the equator, which is the imaginary line around the middle of the earth. This makes it super warm and rainy, which is perfect for a rainforest. It's truly massive, bigger than the whole country of India, or imagine almost 75 times the size of England. So, what does this amazing place look like? Imagine endless trees, stretching as far as your eyes can see, a sea of green. Some of these trees are incredibly tall, reaching high up into the sky, forming a thick roof called a canopy. Below this canopy, it's often a bit darker and very humid, like a giant natural greenhouse. The air feels warm and damp, thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers, and you can almost taste the greenness. Every step you take, you hear sounds, the chirping of millions of insects, the calls of exotic birds, and maybe even the distant roar of a monkey. The ground is covered with fallen leaves, giant ferns, and vibrant flowers in every color imaginable. There are also countless rivers and streams, big and small, winding their way through the forest, like liquid roads. It's a place bursting with life, incredibly colorful, and always buzzing with activity. One of the most incredible things about the Amazon is just how much life it holds. It's a super-duper hotspot for biodiversity. That means it has more different kinds of plants and animals than almost anywhere else on Earth. Scientists say that 1 out of every 10 known species on our planet lives in the Amazon. Can you imagine that? From tiny, colorful poison dart frogs to giant, sleepy sloths hanging upside down. From cheeky monkeys swinging through the trees to majestic jaguars silently padding through the undergrowth, the Amazon is home to them all. More than 2.5 million different kinds of insects, thousands of types of trees and plants, many of which scientists haven't even discovered yet. You might see colorful macaws soaring overhead, tiny hummingbirds buzzing around flowers, and even capybaras, the world's largest rodents, splashing in the water. There are even unique creatures like the pink river dolphin, which swims in the mighty Amazon River. Speaking of the Amazon River, it's not just any river, it's the largest river in the world by water volume. That means it carries more water than any other river. It starts high up in the Andes Mountains and winds its way for thousands of kilometers, all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. This river is like the Amazon rainforest superhighway, providing water and a home for countless creatures, including those famous piranhas. Don't worry, they usually eat other fish, not people. Giant anacondas, and even huge fish called arapaima. The Amazon River system includes thousands of smaller rivers, streams, and tributaries, all flowing into the main river like veins in a giant leaf. It's a watery wonderland. Now, here's a super important fact: the Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth. Why? Because its billions of trees play a massive role in producing the oxygen we breathe and absorbing carbon dioxide, which is a gas that can make our planet too warm. Think of it like a giant air purifier for the whole world. This giant green engine helps regulate the world's climate. It helps create the very clouds that bring rain to many parts of South America, and even influences weather patterns further afield, showing just how connected everything on Earth truly is. So, when the Amazon is healthy, it helps the whole planet breathe easier and stay balanced. So, why does this amazing, far-off place matter to you, right here, right now? Well, for starters, All those incredible animals we love to see in books and videos, many of them live only in the Amazon. If the Amazon isn't healthy, these animals lose their homes. And remember how it helps us breathe? When you take a deep breath of fresh air, a tiny part of that breath might have come from a tree in the Amazon. Many medicines, even some that help people feel better when they're sick, come from plants found only in the Amazon. It's like a giant natural pharmacy. And think about the delicious fruits like pineapples and bananas. Many of their wild relatives originally came from rainforests. Plus, scientists are always discovering new things in the Amazon that can help us. Imagine a new medicine to cure a difficult illness, found right there. Sadly, parts of the Amazon are disappearing because trees are being cut down for farms or roads. This is a big problem because when the trees go, so do the animals, and the air purifier gets smaller. But here's the good news: we can all help. By learning about the Amazon, sharing what you know with friends and family, and supporting groups that protect rainforests, you're making a difference. Every choice, big or small, to be kind to our planet, helps places like the Amazon thrive. It's a huge task, but every single person can be a part of the solution. Even telling your family about how cool the Amazon is, or drawing a picture of its amazing animals, helps spread the word. The Amazon rainforest is a truly magical and vital part of our world, a treasure we all share and must protect for future generations, including yours. It reminds us how connected everything on Earth is, and how amazing nature can be. Let's make sure this giant green heart keeps beating strong for a long, long time. What incredible how question do you want us to explore next? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Curious Minds for more amazing science adventures.